Next, we need a default route. However, in our case, we have two internet service provider. If we go to our lab topology, so interface 1/1 we are connected to WAN 1 and 1/2 connected to WAN 2. So we have two ISP, internet service provider. We want to keep one right now. So what we will do, we will change the metric value just to keep one route. So what we need to do, we need to go to this HQ firewall and let's go to network, and here we have a virtual router. Previously we create our virtual router VR1. Click on that one and click on the static route. There is no static route configure. Click on add. Okay, and we want to create two. So what I will do, these are all the details. Okay, I will give them a name. Okay, default gateway 1, because we have two gateways and our gateways are this WAN. When I already open, if you go here, so we have 1.254 and 2.254. So this is ISP1 and ISP2. So what I will go, I will type the name, sorry, I will give them a name. Let's go to name default gateway 01. Any name you can give them. And destination is, okay, destination is anything. We can go to anywhere. 0/0.0/0. Interface, so the interface is 1/1, the first one. Okay, and next hop is this one which I just show you. So this is our next hop, 1.254. So I will go back and type this IP. Administrative distance, I will keep the default one. Metric, I will keep the default one. Route table, I will choose the unicast. BFD profile is disabled. I don't want to do path monitoring, just keep the default one. Let me copy this one and click OK. So this, the first default route is created. I need a second one as well for the second ISP. So let's go to click add again and type here, let me type 2. Okay, and destination again 0.0.0.0/0, any destination. However, this time the interface is 1/2, which is this one of the firewall. And next hop, let's go to copy the next hop, which is 2.254. Okay, and let me type that one. Administrative distance keep the same. However, I need to change metric. Otherwise, it will give an error. Let me show you that error. So everything is the same. Yeah, click OK. And if I type commit, so it will give an error. It will throw error. The reason is because we are not using, if we go to ECMP, ECMP is disabled. So if ECMP is disabled, equal cost multiple path is disabled. So you cannot use the same metric each and everything. It will throw an error. After a while, it will show you an error. So for that purpose, I show here, okay, the metric is 10, the first one. I want to use the first one. For the second one, I change the metric to 20. Then it will accept. Okay. So let's see, you see in virtual router R1 static route default gateway metric value is 10 is not unique. So I need to change them that one, the second one. So go to static route and click on the second one. Even if you change administrative distance, still it will give an error. So let me change the metric to 20 and click OK and click OK. And now commit and click OK. So this is the way to configure. Right now, I don't want to use both the route. If you want to use both the route on the same time with the same metric and everything, then you need to enable ECMP. Okay. But right now we are not interested. So I change the metric. So now destination are the same. Interfaces are different. IP, the gateways are different. Administrative distance are the same. However, metric are different. BFD is not enabled and routing table is unicast. And now it will not throw an error, and now it's okay. So this is the way to configure default route. In our case, because we have two WAN, okay, two ISP, so I configure both with different metric, and now it's done. And you can check from here more runtime state. So here and here, In the routing table, both are there. However, in the forwarding table, it will be 1 because they have less metric. So this one is being the default one. But in the routing table, both are there. Metric are 20 and here we have 10. Okay, in the forwarding table, so we have only when one enable. Okay, which is UG, and U you can see is up and G means this is the gateway. ECMP is not enabled because we never enable that one. And this is the interface, and MTU is this one. Destination can be anything. Next hop is our this one 2.254. Okay, and these are the flag which I show you. In the routing table, destination, next hop, metric, wait, and this is AS flag. So again is active, and S means is here is static. So we have configure is active and static, and these are the interfaces. Okay, and that's it. So click OK. So you can verify from here. Also, you can use a CLI command to verify. So we are done with the default route configuration, and then we commit the changes. So we create two different default route with different metric.